The line between people and machines is beginning to blur. What felt like wild science fiction just a few years ago is now part of everyday reality. And no, this isn't a guess it's happening. Things we thought were impossible a decade ago are now walking among us. Artificial intelligence is no longer just software in the cloud. It's becoming physical. And that brings us to one of the most futuristic creations yet, Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 robot. This isn't just a cool machine, it's a real shot at redefining the future. And the wild part? It's working! This robot isn't just sweeping floors or folding clothes. Elon Musk recently confirmed that Optimus Gen 3 now features something remarkable: Grok voice. Yes, the same Grok AI from XAI has been added to the bot's brain. This takes things to another level. It can now talk to you not like a cold mechanical assistant, but like a familiar voice. The communication is natural, smooth, and human-like. Optimus is becoming more than just a machine. It's becoming a part of life. And hey, before we keep going, here's something quick and important. We have 220 amazing subscribers right now who saw this future early. If you're watching and haven't joined yet, this is your chance. Hit subscribe like you're flipping a switch on a time machine because the future isn't waiting. Be part of the journey here with Amp Drive. With Grok voice built in, Optimus Gen 3 is unlike any other humanoid robot. It doesn't just walk, it thinks, listens, and speaks. Tesla is already preparing a production line for 5,000 bots. That alone is huge. No one else has even come close to scaling like this. You might soon see these robots not just online, but in real life on factory floors, in homes, maybe even walking next to you. Just like how Tesla made electric cars a part of normal life, they're now working to make humanoid robots feel normal too. And while there will be ups and downs, there's no doubt that Optimus is kicking open the doors to something completely new. So what's really new in version 3? First, Grok voice. It transforms Optimus from a command-following bot into a talking, understanding, human-like assistant. It can carry on full conversations, understand your tone, and help you in real time. Ask it how to use the oven, and it'll guide you through step by step. Ask it about your schedule, and it will respond with context. That's what makes it ideal for the elderly, for kids, or anyone who isn't tech-savvy. Grok also makes Optimus useful in busy or noisy places. It understands what's being said even in loud environments and can switch between languages. At Tesla's event last October, they showed 50 Optimus bots working in a loud, crowded setting. Despite music and people talking, the bots still responded properly. That's the power of Grok voice working live. Yes, the added intelligence increases the cost, as Musk has admitted. But this robot isn't just strong, it's smart. Other companies build bots that move. Tesla is building bots that connect with people. And that personal interaction gives Optimus an edge no one else has. The way Optimus looks also sets it apart. While other robots still show wires and bulky parts, Optimus has a sleek, smooth body with a futuristic design. It comes in black and white, with glowing lights on the head and even a special golden edition. It looks like something from a movie and it fits into modern homes. And Elon Musk says it's still not final. He's hinted at more design changes, not to make it prettier, but to make it easier to mass produce. Tesla's goal isn't just to make a robot, it's to make a lot of them. That's what this next design phase is all about. What of the most exciting upgrades? The hand. Gen 2 had a hand with 11 degrees of freedom. The new version has 22. That's almost as flexible as a human hand. This lets Optimus do precise tasks like threading a needle, playing piano, or folding clothes. In demos, we saw it catch a tennis ball and gently hold fragile objects. The hand is now fully enclosed and water-resistant, so it might soon be doing dishes or other wet tasks too. Compared to the older hand, which had exposed wires, the new design is clean and protective. And this allows the bot to do more real-world jobs, both in factories and at home. Elon Musk believes this version of Optimus can do hundreds of tasks and maybe thousands once it fully rolls out. Now about movement. People have joked that Optimus walks like someone after leg day, or like a president stumbling on stage. It's a funny image, but it highlights a real point. Walking has been a challenge. The current top speed is around 2.2 mph, slower than some competitors. But Tesla isn't rushing. That slightly crouched walk is actually intentional. It keeps the center of gravity low and improves balance. In low-light, crowded events, Optimus was still able to move confidently without tripping. So the design is working. Tesla is also updating its motors, weight balance, and software to improve walking speed and posture. The bot now moves more naturally than earlier versions, and it's getting closer to that target of 5 mph. Tesla's real edge, though, is in manufacturing. They're using EV components, motors, sensors, batteries that they already make in huge numbers. And with Tesla's global supply chain, they can scale this robot faster than any competitor. Right now, every Optimus unit is handmade. But soon, they'll have a production line just like their cars. Once that's ready, they could start producing millions of bots. Some people think Optimus is just a remote-controlled robot. That's not true. It does use remote guidance right now for learning purposes, but that's normal. Even humans need practice and training. Once trained, Optimus will be fully autonomous. Elon Musk says that by next year, thousands of these bots will be working in Tesla factories. And unlike other bots that only do one thing, Optimus will observe, analyze, and make decisions on the fly. That's possible thanks to its advanced neural network, the same kind of system Tesla uses for its full self-driving tech. This brain is packed into a special AI chip that handles all data movement, objects, people through a single system. And it learns using video footage from the real world. Even better, when one Optimus learns a task, all other bots get that skill instantly. So if one bot learns how to cook, clean, or build something, the knowledge spreads. With an 8-hour battery powered by a 2.3 kWh pack, Optimus is built to work full days. And it can now learn up to 100 new tasks daily just by watching video. That includes cooking, cleaning, or sorting factory parts. It's learning faster than most people. Of course, fast learning brings questions. What if a bot copies the wrong thing? Could it imitate dangerous behavior? These concerns are valid, and Tesla will need to address them. Still, Elon Musk says Optimus may be the most important product Tesla has ever created, bigger than their cars, more impactful than anything they've built before. This isn't just another machine. It's a partner in your daily life. A glimpse at the future of how we live, work, and interact. And right here on AMP Drive, we'll keep sharing every breakthrough, every demo, and every leap forward. So if you haven't already, subscribe now. Because you're not just watching the future. You're part of it.